Good evening, students. For our next portion, first of all, I want to repeat that organic compounds because recently you did this, no? So it will be very easier for you to remember all these. See, for the organic compounds, you are having very few compounds in your course, that is 6. Okay, how you will know that in the given beaker you are having which compound? See, first of all, you have to see the state. State means solid or liquid. Solid or liquid. Some compounds in your course, they are solid and some compounds are liquid. Second, you have to see the color. So, on the basis of color only, if your color is brown and your state is solid, very easy to identify your compound is resource null. For the resource null, you have to do one Thalen test which we did. Okay, very easy. Only on the basis of state, that is solid, and color brown, chocolate brown, your compound will be resource null. Very easy to identify. And you have to do the Thalen test which you performed. You got green orange fluorescence. Then you are knowing the steps: state, color, order. If you are not following that, simple write. Then solubility test, that is in water. Then sodium bicarbonate. Then HCl and NaOH. Okay. On this basis, you can find easily resource null. Now our second compound, state, color. If your state is liquid, see, if your state is liquid, if you are getting liquid compound and the color is brown, easily your compound is aniline. No need of thinking. So write stepwise whatever you wrote in manual. Okay. So two compounds very easy to identify. If you are getting brown solid, resource null. If you are getting brown liquid, that is aniline. Okay, followed students. And in aniline, for amine group, you have to do azo dye. You are getting orange red dye in test tube. So these two compounds are very easy to identify, I think. Now remaining 4 compounds in your course. Okay. See, if your state is solid and compound is white, so only in your course one compound is there, that is oxalic acid. Very easy to identify. Here in resource null, benzene structure is there, so you will get sooty flame. Here also in aniline, aromatic compound, so you will get sooty flame. That you have to follow the steps. But I am saying the simple tricks how to identify the organic compound. If you are getting brown color solid compound, resource null, brown color liquid, then aniline. If you are getting state solid but white compound, that very simple, oxalic acid. So you write state, then color, then order you have to write, then solubility test. And oxalic acid, one test we did with sodium carbonate or sodium bicarbonate, you are getting effluences of CO2. If you are getting effluences of CO2, very easy to identify that your group is acidic group. In acidic group, you are having 3 in your course. One is aliphatic, aromatic and liquid. You are not having liquid. If your compound is solid and gives effluences with sodium carbonate, your compound is oxalic acid. Very easy to identify. And compound is aliphatic. Compound is aliphatic. So in solid column, you can see with the manual that only aliphatic compounds are oxalic acid and one more compound, that is acetamide. Okay. But you are getting effluences, so your compound is oxalic acid. So 3 compounds are very easy to identify for you: brown, solid resorcinol, brown, aniline liquid, white, solid, that is oxalic acid. Now remaining three, that is benzaldehyde, then methanol, then acetone. You can see these two are aliphatic. If you are getting aromatic, sooty flame and liquid, colorless, your compound is benzaldehyde. So in your course, colorless liquid and having sooty flame, benzene structure, benzaldehyde, CHO group. If you are getting aromatic, sooty flame, very simple, your compound is benzaldehyde. And you can do the silver mirror test, which I gifted you. Okay. Now the remaining two compounds, that are acetone and methanol. These two are aliphatic compound, non-sooty flame, aliphatic compound, liquid. So you can see first like that, color, state, order, solubility test and all. After doing this, you have to do the group test. So in group test, first group test is for COOH, acidic group. If you are not getting any differences, so your acidic group is differences with sodium carbonate, your COH group is absent. Ahead, next, that is for brown color compound, resorcinol. Your compound is liquid. Okay, so for the third, you are having ketone group. So for the ketone group, you have to do the test, that is sodium nitroprusside. So take compound, add NaOH and add sodium nitroprusside. If you are getting red color, your compound is acetone. If you are not getting red color, then your compound is methanol. Followed? Again I am repeating. Brown, solid, resorcinol. Brown, liquid, then aniline. White, solid, if you are getting only in one your course, that is oxalic acid. Remaining three liquids are there, that is benzaldehyde, methanol and acetone. If you are getting aromatic, sooty flame, very easy to identify that your compound is benzaldehyde, because no other two compounds are aliphatic. Your compound is aromatic. So for benzaldehyde, sooty flame, and you do silver mirror test. Now for the remaining two compounds, that is methanol and acetone, you have to do the test, that is color, state, order, solubility test and all. Okay. After I taught you 4 steps. In water, ester is not soluble, ester is miscible. Remaining 3 compounds are there, that is acetone and methanol. Okay. For acetone and methanol, first group test is COH group test. Second is for the colored compound. So your compound is not colored and not solid. This test is for colored and solid compounds. For acidic group, you have to do the sodium carbonate test. Okay. Now for the third, that is ketone test. For the ketone test, you have to add compound plus NaOH plus sodium nitroprusside. Solution you have to make. Otherwise, fresh solution you have to make. If you are getting red color, then your compound is ketone, that is acetone. Not acetophenone, because acetophenone is aromatic. Your compound is aliphatic. And if you are not getting red color, means your compound is methanol. And no need of doing that hydrogen liberation test to sodium metal. Only on this basis you can say your compound is methanol. Very easy to identify all the 6 compounds. I hope you have followed. Any inquiry you can ask me. Okay students, have a good luck.